beautiful dress. I'm currently watching my guide how to pray, so I need to learn this. So he said, pray where the offering is put, and then next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash myself in every fountain 3 times, wash my head 3 times, wash my teeth 3 times. So hopefully I get this right.
One is the gyok, but one is the best one for me.
This one?
Yeah.
How much is this one?
Bali good for something stomachs like diarrhea.
It does look like garlic.
Yeah.
And the skin is the snake skin. Just eat it?
Yeah.
It is like pineapple.
Yeah.